Welcome to our channel. In this quick and professional tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to cancel your Netflix subscription without having to call customer support or deal with any unnecessary steps. Whether you're switching to another streaming service or just taking a break, this method is fast, simple, and takes less than 30 seconds once you're logged in. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Go to the Netflix website. Open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other. In the address bar, type www.netflix.com. Once the page loads, make sure you are logged into the account you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. After logging in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on the profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Account. This will take you to the main account settings page, where you can manage all your subscription details. Step 3. Locate the Cancel Membership option. On the account page, scroll down until you reach the Membership and Billing section. Here you'll see various details like your plan type, billing date, and payment method. Look for the Cancel Membership button. It's usually highlighted in a visible color to make it easy to find. Click on that button. Step 4. Confirm your cancellation. After clicking Cancel Membership, Netflix will show you a confirmation page. They might try to offer a pause option or remind you of what you'll miss. But if you're sure about canceling, just proceed. Click on Finish Cancellation to confirm. You will receive an email confirming that your subscription has been canceled. You'll still have access to Netflix until the end of your current billing cycle, even after cancellation. Step 5. Double-check for shared or linked accounts, optional. If your Netflix account is shared with family members or linked to a service provider like a mobile operator or internet provider, be sure to cancel it through that service instead. If you're paying for Netflix through a third party, like Apple or Google Play, the cancellation process may need to be done through those platforms. For direct Netflix subscriptions, though, the steps we just went through are all you need. Thanks for watching. We hope this helped you cancel your Netflix subscription quickly and without any trouble. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and step-by-step guides.